Okay. Yesterday, what we discussed last section. Last section is regarding people group, right? Okay. So last section is related to people group. Now you've seen that people group we maintained at the legal entity level, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to next topic. Our next topic is related to this is also cost allocation. This is also key flex field only, but it is related to which one? Payroll. Okay. Just click on search. Over here you will get another cost allocation. This is earlier key flexible. One key flexible we discussed, that is PPG. Another key flexible that we supposed to discuss, that is cost allocation. Cost allocation, key flexible. See, creation of people group key flexible and cost allocation key flexibles are mostly same. 80 to 90% it is same only. Okay, very small changes are there. There are very minimal changes are there in between cost allocation key flexible and people group key flexible. People group key flexible, where it is available, sir? We will attach it at the legal entity level for the people, those who all are hired under that legal employer. This people group key flexible is available over there. Got it? Now, coming to why this cost allocation key flex field and where it is available if we create cost allocation key flex field and what is the purpose that it is maintained, that theoretically I will explain over here. Okay. Cost allocation key flex fields. If you observe, let me take one. See, once you observe over here, see, cost. See, once you observe over here, this under the costing, okay, this is the element that I am created. This is the element that I am created. It is already existing element, sir. Okay, it is already created. When I am trying to create an eligibility over there, I am able to see costing, cost account. This is costing and offset. Okay, see what are the things all are there. Just see over here. So these all are the things you want to capture. Raghu, why should I capture? What is the purpose? Does it related to purely payroll? We will
No.
maintain at the payroll level. See, as I already told you, initial sections, we will create this element. In this element, we will how to create. It's a big topic we are going to discuss in future classes. For why I am explaining this one? Because over here, we will maintain cost. Okay, why should we maintain this cost? If you observe over here, sir, transfer to general ledger. Do you want to transfer it to general ledger? If I'm clicking on OK, in order to transfer this general ledger, come here. I am explaining only at the element eligibility level. I will just explaining you what is the purpose. Just try to understand. This is a purpose. We are having this costing attributes. Okay, segments. See, when we were, when we were, see, suppose example and GL prospective in the sense, general ledger, finance side, okay, they will maintain credit and debit. Credit and debit in the sense what, sir? What, how much amount that we are going to get from the company perspective on one account. This account number, sir, GL account number, sir. Okay. Okay. See, company will follow company finance side. Just think carefully, sir. Try to understand carefully. In finance side, they will have some account numbers that GL numbers like two. Okay. Another number is 576. Okay. On this number, how much of credit is happened from the company? From this number, how much of debit is happening through the company? Now, finance team will say to us this information where you will get, sir, from the finance team. They will tell us, Raghu, I need two attributes over here. Two attributes I need. Means two attributes in the sense what, sir? Account 1 and account 2. Over here also account 1 and account 2. Okay. Cost account and offset account. You just try to concentrate on over here. I will explain this one again. They will ask us, Raghu, I need two attributes over here. Okay. Whenever you are running the payroll, try to catch this point. Whenever you are running the payroll, this element will be picked up. This element will be picked up, right? I will explain in the notepad. Try to understand carefully. Once after completion of this theory, I will ask, you can raise your questions. Okay. When we are running the payroll, okay, this element will be picked up for all the group of people, right? See, once observe, through this element, we are paying to all the group of people in one legislation. In one LE, we have to say it as legal entity. This point is understood? Hello? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. This element will be picked up with and it will be paid. The amount is paid through this element for all the people. From finance side, they want how much amount is debited. through this element. And R is credited. How much amount is credited through that amount, through this element? For that one, what we will ask, for that one, we have a concept that is costing. Okay, there we will create, we will create two attributes. Suppose example, we will create attributes to maintain one what, sir? One GL or else one number. How many of you got this one? Through this number, okay. Okay, through this number, finance team will, okay, or what I can say, finance team will capture the amount details. With with cost, with costing report. There is a costing report over there. They can, it will come up like GL account space element space employee space amount paid space. Okay, this is a format of report. Okay, amount paid, month. Okay, in this format, they will get the report. Okay, simply you can even understand finance team don't have the visibility, and finance team don't have, don't want to maintain the elements names. For that reference purpose, they are maintaining GL account. In that way also you can remember and you can understand. How many of you understood? Any doubts over here? Now you just tell me who will give the information for which legal entity, what is the what is the cost key flex fields, cost key flex fields that we supposed to maintain?
Finance team.
Finance team, not the end user. This is, they will ask us, Raghu, I need, these all are the columns I need. Okay, where these are the columns I need. They will come up with this question. Got it? They will come.
Every information come from finance team only, no? This cost account.
Yes.
Okay.
One second in bit. Sorry, guys. Payroll last then, right? Payroll issues and all goes on. If the payroll didn't completes by the 25th, no, you will be in trouble. Are you able to hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, Raghu, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. Now, just let me. So now this is the first point, right? Hope you understood why we need casting. How many of you understood, or else how many any doubts over here? If you understood this one, I will say next point over here, periodically.
Nothing, my
Good.
end, Raghu.
Nothing, right? Good. See, coming to this maintenance, payroll costing maintenance will be done at the element level is a lower level, higher level is payroll level. Okay. And which is the preferred level, sir? The preferred level is element eligibility. Okay. So, see, we are not only able to we can maintain at the payroll. Payroll in the sense payroll definition means monthly payroll, weekly payroll, bi-weekly payroll. That is the first. Higher level means whatever you maintained at this level, it will be flows down. And whatever you are maintaining at the element level in the sense very simply, if there is a person, employee is there. So for example, one employee is there. That employee is having that elements, right? Okay, that employee is having elements, right? Under element entries, this is a Saudi employee. Okay. For this employee, okay, this is the employee, right? For this employee, element entries is there. Let me check. Under the payroll, element entries, you just click on that. Click on any element over here. See, over here you can see the costing. Clear? So for this one, no costing is created, it seems. Okay. So this is the very lower level that we can maintain costing. Which is a higher level? Payroll definition. We have a concept, but of payroll definition we can discuss in the future. Okay. And what is the preferred place to maintain? What is the preferred place to maintain, sir?
Element eligibility.
Element eligibility
Element
level.
eligibility.
Higher and very preferred level to maintain costing. Whatever you maintain at these levels, I will say that over here, job level, position level, okay, and there are so many levels that we can maintain, okay. So location level also that we can maintain. You just to Google it, literally new levels also coming up, okay. Something location level is also came up in the 25A. If you want to maintain each and every location, based upon the location, if you want to maintain the cost allocation, you can maintain. Okay. Now, next question. Just to explore, sir. Explore in this is what all are the levels. But the thing is, try to understand payroll is a higher level, element level is the lower level, and whatever we maintained at the payroll level, we can override at the element level. Element eligibility level is a very much preferred level. In interview, if they are asking also, just to mention that I only worked on at the element eligibility level, which is very preferable and which is works very fine, and the business is also comfortable with it. Hope you understood these things. Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
Yes,
No.
yes, Raghu.
Other requirement.
How
Our
many levels are there in payroll, Raghu?
totally 7 levels. You can
Tot-
Google now.
7 levels. Okay.
7 levels, it seems. You
Okay.
can mention what are the levels in the sense 7 levels, that is job level, location level, position level, payroll, and you have to answer in such a way like higher level is payroll definition level, very lower level is element level, person element level. Okay, element entry level.
Okay.
Now, very preferred location, preferred place is element eligibility level. Okay, whatever we maintained at the payroll level, we can always override at the this level, element level, which is a very lower level. Okay, now coming to uh, which all are the places, if they are asking very pinpointedly in the sense, you can say that what are the locations in the sense. When we are creating that one, you will see over there. I will show you what are the levels available in this version. You know the version, right? In this version 25B. Okay, now coming to next theoretically, creation is very easy, sir. Okay, now you can observe this is LDG. If you are observed or not observed, I already told you, right? PPG is maintained at the LE level. Now, but coming to the cost allocation, at which level that we will maintain, sir? At which level that we will maintain? At LDG level that we will maintain. Okay, got it. So LDG level that we are maintaining in the sense what, sir? I am having one question. See, LDGs are attached to which one? LDGs are attached to legal entities, right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So we have a concept, but your requirement is, different LDG, different LEs should have different structure of cost allocation. Then how we can do this one, sir? Did you got my question? See, we need to create cost allocation key flexibles are like, okay, account 1, account 2, okay, and account 3. Okay, this one is for LE1. Okay, coming to LE2, the requirement is account 2, account 3. But if you are coming over here, which ones are come here? Coming over here, we will maintain cost allocation at the LDG level. That LDG we will attach okay, come here. Okay, see, which is starting, click on any, see, Arab Emirate. If I'm clicking on this one, there is a cost allocation already attached over here. Okay, but my requirement is this LDG is attached to legal entity. Am I right or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For one,
Yes, yes.
this legislation is attached to one country. This legislation is attached to the legal entity when we are creating the legal entities. But we are maintaining at the legal entity level in the sense all the legal entities. Suppose example, these legal entities are related to UAE only. This legal entity is also related to UAE only. Then how we can achieve this one, sir? If I'm attaching any cost allocation over here, legal entity 2 and legal entity 1 is attached to this LDG. Then whatever the instance that we are attached, we will attach instance only, right? Am I right or not? Cost allocation instance. Hello.
Yes, Raghu, yes, sir.
Whatever we attach at LDG level, same thing only comes over here also. Then how come I achieve this one? The business requirement is legal entity 1 should have these things and legal entity 2 should have these two only. How come I achieve this one? See, for that purpose, we have a concept called creation of custom legal entities. Custom legal entities, what is the difference between custom legal entities and existing? Suppose example, click on US. See, US legislative data group is there. See, this is existing. This is means Oracle delivered. This one is all remaining, all these things all are customized. This is customized, small letter is there. This is customized, this one is customized, this one is customized. You have to create a customized one, and over here, this one you will use it over here. Here you have to use customized LDG. And you have to attach these things. And you have to attach this legal entity. Got this point? Srinu, Sai, Mukesh.
Yes, Raghu.
Yes, tell me, Mahesh.
What about LE1? LE1 Anna?
LE1, see, LE1 have to attach customized LDG. LE1 existing LDG. This one customized LDG. For one LDG,
Okay.
you are creating the LDG itself, new one.
Okay.
You understood?
మీ స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు అన్న స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తారా
I'm not sharing anything. Srinu, you
ఓకే
understood?
ఓకే
Akhil, you there? Srinu, Akhil, you there?
Yeah, Raghu.
Following? Hello? Hope you are following, Srinu.
Yes, Raghu, I understood.
Good, good. So now I am creating. Now I am creating. Creation is very simple, sir. If you understood the people group, see, I told you, prior to that one, it should be deployment status should be deployed. So somebody's are editing this one. Okay, first you have to deploy this one. First thing is you have to deploy this one and you have to create accordingly.
అయ్యో దేవుడా
Okay. Once it is deployed, you have to choose this one and create manage structure. Okay, just click on search. Already existing structures, it will show up to you. You can see that one and you can explore by yourself. Raghu, how can I explore? Just open one LDG, Raghu. Just open one LDG, any existing Oracle seeded LDG, which structure is attached over there. Take note of that one, come here and see. Then you can see. Okay, creation is very simple, sir. Take this one and create the structure name. Test new cost 770. Okay. Okay, you know the delimiter, right? I'm keeping this one. Okay, click on save. Okay, then you will get the plus symbol. Whenever you are getting the plus symbol, see over here, account 1, API name also I'm giving account 1. Okay. Here I'm giving this one. APIs, you know, right? In order to bring this information, these all are the APIs used by the integration team. Give this one. Sequence I'm giving 1. Prompt I'm giving this one. Okay, short prompt, see, give the same thing. Width I'm giving 13. Okay, range low you can give. Column name, which are in which segment that you want to keep this column name. I'm using segment 1. This one I'm using 30 characters something. Why this 30 characters? It's a format only, right? Format only means it will give you the empty box. Format only in the sense nothing will be there. Raghu, for that purpose, why are you adding? Why are you adding this one? Without adding this one, also the expectation is to get empty box, right? No. Over here, that value set is mandatory, sir. Value set is mandatory over here. So it's mandatory, right? In that scenario, that we have to attach anything which is format only type of value set. Okay. Now you observe over here, Raghu. Now you observe over here. Okay. At which level that you want to choose. Okay. If I am choosing all these levels, department level, element entry level, element level in the sense element eligibility we are choose now, job level, location level, offset level, payroll level, person level. You have seen, right? So these all are the levels that we can maintain. Okay. Now come, you can see at which level that you want to maintain, you can keep. If you want to keep all the levels also, it is okay. But which level you based upon, see, I'm maintaining all the levels. I'm maintaining all the levels, but the values I'm giving, two levels. Suppose example, this account 1 will be created all the levels. Account 1 details I'm provided at the payroll level as okay to this value for the account 1. At element level, which one I am providing? This one I am providing for the value of account 1. When I am generating the costing file, which value will come, sir? This value or this value? Which value will come?
Payroll
Hello?
value.
Which value comes? Which
Element.
value overrides?
Payroll value.
Huh?
Payroll
See, I
value.
already
Element value will come because
payroll
we over.
value will be overrided at the element entry level. So if
Okay.
this value is overrided by this value, which value will come, sir? This value only, no?
Yeah, element value.
Whatever the value that we are maintaining at the payroll level and job location, all these levels will be overridden by this value, element value. This value will come. Okay. Now coming to just save. Then after that, save and close. Create another value. Account 2. Okay. Click on over here. Sequence I'm giving 2. Okay. So see, once you observe or once you are observing, creating in the same way, don't give anything. Segment 2, you can choose. Default value I'm choosing. Format only. Already one format only is there, that is 30 characters. Okay. Just click on all of them. Save and close. Okay. Click on Just click outside. API will come automatically. Okay. Sequence I'm giving 3. Segment 3, just choose segment 3. Okay. 30 characters. Okay. Now just save. For the best practice, try to save it, then after only save and close. Why? Because if any errors are there, here itself you will know. Okay. Once you save, just click on save and close. Okay. Once you observed over here, sir, once you're observing over here, these all are, I'm creating, right? This is the structure. Structure instance will be, we have to choose from here 1 or 2, anything. But in creation of this flex field structure and attaching at the legislative LDG level is only one-time task, sir. We won't create very repeatedly. Costing details, we won't do repeatedly. In that scenario, try to create as much as empty things like account, like this test. Like this, you just create empty things so that in future, if you want to use these things, okay. In future, if you want to use, this is fourth one, right? You can use, no need to create a new things. You can enable this one, that's it. I'm just now it is disabling. In future, you can just come over here and you can create, just enable this one. You no need to do anything.
Can't we add it later, Ravi, this one?
It is better to have the, what I can say, extra attributes, extra segments. Why? Because it will be, I will show it to you why it is preferable to have the exist free format and what I can say extra segments. I will show you in the already existing these things. Let me.
Segment code and segment code and short prompt, everything's comes with
Same
client
only,
only, no?
same only. So these all are the what I can say, sir. These all are the related to reporting purpose, and prompt is related to, if I am coming here, prompt is related to, click on this one. Prompt is there, right? If I'm keeping in this way, it will come all capital letters. And if I'm keeping like first letter is capital letter and second letter is small letters, it will come in that format only. This is for this purpose, that is prompt. Description, you can write not only the name, you can write something related to this one. This account we are creating for extra, and that information that you can keep. Okay, just save and close, save and close. Okay, come here, save, save and close. Okay, now, okay, click on done, click on done, choose this one. Now you have to move it into, I just came back, move it into manage structures and instances, right? Now just over here, structure instance that we have to create, click on place. Okay. Give the name and description also giving the same. You know dynamic and you know this one also, right? Which one I created very recently? This one only, right? Yeah, choose this one. See, over here you will get the options. These are the displayed, right? You can choose that one and you can Click display this. No need. I don't want to display. This one also I don't want to display. Keep it. Okay. Got it? Only account 2 and account 3. Okay. Now, just save and close. Click on done. Okay. Come here, choose this one and deploy flex field.
Error.
Oh, what is there? Let me check. What is it? Nothing is going. Okay. Now it is deployed. The error is like I kept it at that segment 1 level, it is low level. Remaining all the segments are no.
Empty box.
Yeah. We have to choose all the things similarly, it seems. Functional level, it is won't affect anything. Nothing will be there over there. Okay. Now coming to, it is already deployed, right?
Yes.
Cost is
Yes.
okay. Now, what is the next step, sir? Next step is click on done. Whenever you are doing,
Mhm.
right, click on done, sir. After coming over here, try to refresh the page. Better, very good practice is log out and log in and wait for some time. Manage. Okay, come to manage legislative data group. Search, just do the blank search. Already existing one. Click on A, click on this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, edit this one. Once you upload over here, sir, is this editable, sir? Hello? Hello? Is this editable?
Yes, sir.
Castle structure. Is this editable? See,
No.
can you edit this one? Hello? Can you edit this one? Cast allocation structure.
No, Raghu.
Now, now you understood why we have to capture extra segments. Akhil,
Yes, Raghu.
new, it is not editable over here. You have to keep same instance only. Understanding? Same instance only you have to keep. This cast flex instance, this same thing only you have to keep it over here. There is no another alternative way. But you can come down like over here. Where cast allocation place. There you can choose. See. As we can maintain this one only, there is no change. You cannot change this one. It's a one-time activity only. But come here. This is a one, right? UAE cast. You can come over here. Okay, just to click over here. Come here. It's an instance, right? Search this one. Ah. Okay. Just again, click on edit. See, all the options are enabled over here, right? If you are anything is not enabled, suppose example over here you will get some options are there which all are not enabled. You can come down over here, you can enable or disable over here. If those options are already there, got my point? If any options are there over here, which ones are? Let me explain. As it is not editable at the LDG level, come here. This is the one attached, right? This one only attached, right? Structure name is. This is the structure name. Okay. Search that one over here. Click on edit. See, if something is already available over here, something is already available over here, you can just come here and you can enable, right? Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
No.
Extra columns are available over here. You can come down and you can attach it over here. Raghu, system is allowing now. Now also I can create and I can come down, I can edit over here now. If it is not synchronizing, if you are getting an issue in order to synchronize. Okay, what you will do, sir? What you will do? So better option is if anything is already over here, extra columns are there, 8, 7, 8, 9. It will be available over here. Just come down over here, you can click on edit and you can enable or disable those things that you can do the perform. Correct or not? Once it is created, don't do anything, sir. Don't do any changes on that one. Creation of new things are not at all preferable. Why? Because it is the basic link between, this is a basic link, fundamental link between payroll and finance side in order to create ledger transfer. Okay, hope you understood. Now our requirement is what, sir? Just to come down over here, it is already enabled. So, okay. Our requirement is we have to attach this new one. Okay. Now setup and maintenance. Come here. Okay. Manage. Which one, sir? Legislative data group. Come here. Okay. Create a new legislative data group. Okay. That is like SA new. Okay. New LDG currency Saudi SAR just give a blank search. Where it is, sir? Saudi Arabia. Okay. Okay, Saudi Riyal automatically came. Which structure that you want to attach it over here? What's the structure instance, sir?
New cost 70.
Be mindful with the spaces or something. Okay. This one only, right? Coming over here, right? Hello. Just to click
no.
on.
Yes.
Okay, this is the LDG.
Just.
Now, click on submit. Okay, I'm just creating new LDG, attaching. What is the next plan, sir? What you have to do? You have to do, let me explain it over here after this one. Attached. Attach the cost. Okay. Then after over here, attach legal entity to this LDG. Okay. Which LDG? This LDG. Okay. This LDG that we have to attach. Okay. One legal entity. Create one legal entity and attach it to this one. Okay. Then we have to create one element. Okay. Then create which one, sir? Element eligibility. There you can see this. There you can see this. Which one, sir? Cost. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to do this one from your end. Okay. What we will do in the sense when I am creating a element. Okay, when I am creating an element, which LDG under which legal entity I am creating, and this legal entity is coming under which LDG, based upon that, this cost is coming or not, I will show it to you in the when we are discussing the cost, when we are discussing the Element creation. Element creation is a very big topic. When we are doing that one, I will show it to you. This practice. Got it? Hello. You can what I can say in the sense, you can create an element. Are you able to create the element? Yes, you can able to create the element. Just to click on next, but you don't know how to, what all are the options that you have to choose it over there. There are very so many options are available over there, which impacts very huge after creation. Over there, you can do after creation of that one, whether this costing is coming or not, whatever we are attached at the LTG level, just to see that one. Okay, that is a practice that you can do. How many of you understood? Just